Virtual Keypad, use geofences to operate your system based on entering and exiting a defined space. From the menu, select Geofences. Tap the Edit icon and select Add. Name the geofence. Move the circle to the desired location. Tap the pin icon to move the geofence to your current location. Select Find Address to move the geofence directly to a specific address. Under Devices, define the device being used for this geofence. Select a favorite to activate when you enter the geofence or when you exit the geofence. Enable alerts to receive push notifications for events related to geofences. When finished, tap Save. Additional geofence settings are available under Settings. Select Geofence Settings to adjust the frequency of location updates with the current device. Select Geofence devices to view and delete devices used for geofences. If you have any questions on Virtual Keypad, access the help file located on the side menu under Help, or tap our logo at the top of the menu to contact us directly.